Yeah, so we have looked at a logo, a banner, and now we can also go to a poster. So whatever we have discussed about, whatever we have discussed in a flyer also applies to logos. You can use the same knowledge or skills in logos, and the same you can apply in posters. So we are going to search for posters. Let's do like this. Okay, so this is what we have. And then, so we searched for flyers. Now we can say poster for a leadership training, okay? And then we search. So these are some of the things that you are going to have, okay? So these are posters that you can design. So we'll take one. So I'll click customize, and it will be like this. And remember I said when you want to design, make sure that you are able to see whatever you want to edit. So for you to do that, always increase the size of this poster or flyer or logo by clicking here. So the more the bigger the size, also the bigger the size in terms of MBs when you are downloading. So here we say we are hiring. I will not replace the words because the text, because we have already demonstrated how to replace. So you can just click here and replace, okay? But we are going to put another picture here. So it is not all the time that when you go to uploads to get a picture, you don't just click. You only click if there's no picture. Like for example, if I take out this, then I want to put something here, then you just go here and click, okay? But in this case, okay, now I'll go back by going to undo. In this case, we already have this picture, which is here. You don't click a picture from the uploads. Instead, you first click this picture, and then you go to uploads, and the picture that you want to use, you are going to drag, okay? You are going to drag it. Let's say I'm taking this one. You hold it and drag it like this, okay? We are dragging up until we reach where we want to put it, like here. So the first picture has disappeared. Now we have this picture, okay? And then we can see that this picture is not full because the head is not full. You click it again and you go to crop. If you click on crop, then you'll be able to drag your picture to so that it is full, like this. Now it is full, then you leave it like that, like this. Now we are going to do the same thing of removing the background. So I'll click this picture and go to BG remover, which is background remover. Once that is done, then you also drag your picture. Now it is like this. So now you can also drag your picture to be somewhere where you'll be able to see it properly like this. So this is an example of replacing a picture, not just by clicking, but dragging. Sometimes we want a picture to be the to be in the background of the whole flyer, like this one. So you need to click, and then you get this line around the whole flyer or around the whole poster. Then when you drag something like this, you bring it here. It will be like this. It will show, it will cover the whole product that you are working with. Now you first started by clicking the whole poster and dragging the picture into the whole thing like this. That's why it came here. Now this is not what we wanted, so I'll undo. Okay. And then you can also replace whatever you see here by typing what you want to show. Once you are done, you go to share, to download. And then when you're downloading, you can either download as PDF, but if you click here, then there are so many options, either as the JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF for printing, SVG, MP4, and yeah, PowerPoint presentation. But now we are not working with PowerPoint presentations, but you can also use Canva for PowerPoint presentations.